Hello, my name is Vincent Faraci and I am in 7th grade from Long Valley, New Jersey. The project name is the Binary Challenge. The Binary Challenge consists of having the robot go across a red and green stripe mat where each green stripe is 0 and each red stripe is 1 in binary. After finding the 8-digit binary number, the robot must convert the binary number into base 10, which is our regular number system. The cool technical facts. You must use something called ratios to determine which color is which and which color is not which. A ratio is taking a color value, say red, and dividing it by another color value, say green. The result would be R divided by G, which will allow you to easily determine which color is which. You also have to make sure the robot moves forward fast enough that we're not watching it forever, but not too fast so that the color sensor can't see the colors. I have worked on this project for the first 4 days of camp, the remaining time starting my next challenge, the Treasure Hunt Challenge. I encountered many problems, including one where the robot thought every color besides green was red. The solution was to separate the condition statement between white and red further in terms of values. Another problem that I had was that the robot never knew when it should stop reading the values. The solution was to create a variable that constantly counts up by 1, and then when it is greater than 8, it should stop and display the answer. If I ever have a chance to expand on this project in the future, I would like to create an animation for the OLED that has consecutive periods going in the pattern of 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots to make it look like the robot is a professional product. Thank you for listening to my speech, and please enjoy the demo of the Binary Challenge. What number did it get?
64. Oh wait.
I think it did
I
it
got
wrong.